You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this expression. I love it. We all need a little bit of this, but we also need to be able to pronounce it correctly. So it's being modest or critical about yourself, especially humorously. The British English pronunciation here is as self-deprecating. So you need to stress on the first syllable, okay? So it's not deprecating, deprecating. Self-deprecating in American English, the way it's pronounced in the US, not in the UK. Self-deprecating, self-deprecating. It's easy. Once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.